Hi everyone and welcome back to GobbleUp. We all love Maggie, don't we? I would call it a universal favorite. Today I'm going to show you Maggie but with a little twist. We're going to make Maggie Manchurian. So let's get started with our recipe. Now first and foremost, let's take a pan, put it on the gas, put about 2 tablespoons of butter into it. Let the butter melt. Once it melts a little, we're going to add some water to the pan. So we're going to add around 1.5 cups of water. And we're going to basically make the water boil. 1.5 cups of water. We're going to make 2 Maggies, so I've put 2 taste makers of the Maggie into the water. And now just allow the water to boil. I'm sorry about the sound in the background. It is just one of these aircrafts going by. Now the water is boiling. Now into the water, add the Maggie. I've taken 2 packets of Maggie. So just break it a little and add it to the boiling water. And we're just going to cook it till the Maggie becomes soft and the water evaporates. So you can see that the water is evaporating, the Maggie is cooking. Now I've taken 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Now if you have a combination of ginger garlic paste, that would be ideal. You can just put about 1.5 teaspoons or 2 teaspoons of that. Since I had them separate, so I've just added 1 teaspoon of each. Now the Maggie is done. The water is evaporated. Now take it out into a bowl and let it cool a little. Let it cool. Now once it's cool, add a little bit of salt to it. I've taken about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Of course, you can do it to your taste because you can add it to your taste because even the Maggi masala has salt. Now I've taken 1/2 chopped capsicum. Add it. 1 small chopped onion. 1 carrot chopped. And about 1/2 cup of chopped cabbage. Now to take out, remove the excess moisture, I've taken 1/2 cup of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of maida. So this is going to basically make it a little dry. So just give it a good mix. Of course, yes, nothing like using your hands to mix them up. Now you can see that it's dry and we're going to make them into little balls. So just smear some oil on your palm and take a little bit of the Maggie and make small balls out of it. Of course, that again depends. If you want them big, you can make them big, and if you want them not so big, you can make them a little small also. Doesn't matter, it's purely your choice. So you make balls like this out of this masala, this Maggi mixture actually. Now we're going to fry these. Now generally what we do is we put breadcrumbs, but I'm not going to put breadcrumbs. I've taken 1 Maggi and I've crushed it, and I'm going to coat these balls with the Maggi. So yeah, you may just need to press it a little so that, all the Maggi gets stuck onto the ball. And we're going to fry these. So it's not going to be, the typical one with the breadcrumbs. Instead of the breadcrumbs, we've got the raw Maggi on top. So these are going to be our Maggi balls. So in the same way, you take one more, coat it well with the Maggie. You can just press it a little so Maggie doesn't fall. If you can just press it off, it will not fall also. So this way we are frying all the Maggie. So once it gets a little red, just drain out the excess oil and take it out on a kitchen towel. The next one is also getting done. It is already, you can already see it's turning golden. And at this stage, you just take it out on a kitchen towel. Now all of them, I've done the rest also in the same way. So now we're going to make the Manchurian sauce. So again, take a pan, and I've taken about 4 tablespoons of oil into the pan, some garlic paste, half a capsicum chopped, half a carrot, and chop them nice and small, and give it a good stir. Now I've taken again one small chopped onion, again one small bowl of cabbage, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of this green chili sauce. This is a Chinese chili sauce. Then soya sauce. Just now mix all these up together. Some salt to taste, about half a teaspoon. And of course, these don't have to be cooked too much because we don't want them to become very, soft or mushy. So just a little. Now add some water. This is just to make the sauce. So I've taken about 1.5 cups of water. Some vinegar. So basically in any of these Manchurian dishes or Chinese dishes, soya sauce, chili sauce and vinegar, these are the ingredients which are absolutely imperative. Now I've made a slurry with 3 tablespoons of corn flour and half a cup of water. So this is basically to make the sauce nice and thick. You can see that the color of the sauce is nice and dark and it's thick. Now all you have to do is add the Manchurian balls into it. Drop them in one at a time so that they don't break. And just coat them lightly with the sauce. And just look at it. Doesn't it look delicious? And it's done. So now just take it out into your serving dish. And of course garnish it. I've garnished it with green capsicums. You can do it with whatever you wish. You could even add some green chilies. Enjoy your dish. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.